Hey, what's going on? In this video, we're going to learn how to create Google Analytics 4 account. So first and foremost, you have to write Google Analytics 4 over on your search bar, and then you will see this link. Click on it, and then you will have to click on Go to Analytics, or you will see the Create Account. Since I have one account, so I am not being able to see this. So after that, you won't see this interface. You will see this interface. So account creation, this is our account. Under the account there will be so many property, so I can write whatever. For example, my account name is whatever, and then do I want to share my data to Google and Google related product, then I will tick it on, and then I have to select next. And then I've said earlier that under one account there will be so many properties, so I can since we are looking for getting into the web analytics space, so this is something we are going to analyze our website data. So we can write, like, for example, whatever web. If it is app, then you can write whatever app. uh, However, the naming convention is doesn't matter. It depends on what you want to give it a name to, right? So reporting zone, you have to select your country where you are residing right now, and you can select your currency, whatever you want to choose. So if you are doing business from United States, then it is better to have US dollars. If you are residing in United Kingdom, then it is better to have euro, and so on for other countries. So you can select your industry. For example, I'm going to select it auto and vehicle, and then the business size, I mean, how many employees do I have. Based on this, I have to select it, and then next. And here I can if my business is for generating leads, then I will just select it. If my business is for driving sales, then I have to select, if there is something related to purchase, then I have to select drive sales. And if my website has both of them, then I have to select both of them, right? And then click on create, and then I have to tick it on, and then I have to go down, and I have to again tick it on, and then accept. Boom, my um, account and property has been done. And now I have to have a data stream where I want to get the data from. So since it is from website, so I have to select website. If it is Android app, then I have to select Android app. If it is iOS app, then I have to select iOS app. So since we are doing everything for web analytics, so I have to select web. And then I have to give my website name, for example, dot my website .com, and then stream name, let's just say my website. I want to give it a name. So I'm gonna select the website name very carefully, because I'm gonna record so many videos. So this is something I have to give, because I will create a lot of content uh, for Google Analytics and how to see everything, right? So this is something Google Analytics gives automatically. So if you want to keep them, then you know you can keep them. If you don't want to have them, or if you want to have them, have custom data for measuring the data, then you can unselect them. For example, I don't want to track the form interaction, because I'm gonna track the form interaction, where I will have all the control. So I have to toggle off it, and then I can, yeah, I can keep all of them, or I can unselect all of them. So after that I have to select, and then create and continue. Yes, here we go. Now it's time to have our it's time to have our Google Analytics 4 setup done. So how do you want to set up this? Uh, so for setting up Google Analytics, you have to paste this code at the header section of your website, or you can use Google Tag Manager for doing this. So I'm gonna make video on that. So in the next video, you will learn how Google Analytics 4 works. So that's all for now. I've shown you how to create Google Tag Manager account. So that's it. Thank you.